Hola, chicas. So we're just going to have a look now at the lesson that I asked you to do in page 130. Okay, so I'm just going to run through it quickly. Okay, so the first gap we got here is Buenos días, en qué? First one, QE, en qué puedo ayudarle? How can I help you? The turista then says, Buenos días, ¿tiene un plano de la ciudad? Do you have a map of the city? CIUD 80, por favor. Empleado, sí, aquí tiene. So here you have, mire, nosotros estamos aquí, we're here. Gracias, estoy de vacaciones. VACACIONES. I'm on holidays here, okay? And then she says, quiero visitar el museo. El museo, the museum, MUSEO del Prado. ¿Sabe usted si el museo está abierto? So is it open mañana, tomorrow? Okay. Bueno, mañana es martes. El museo abre a las 10 de la mañana. So it opens at 10 in the morning. The next gap, perfecto. ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much does the ticket cost? Cuesta. Okay. The next gap then is es gratuita para, P-A-R-A-R, para los menores de 18 años. Next gap we have then is next gap we got there is los estudiantes, ESTUDIANTS. Okay. Next we got is además hay una entrada. There's a reduced ticket. There is or there are. The next gap we've got is eres mayor. If you are mayor, mayor is over or older than 65 years of age. The next gap we've got is muy bien, es mejor. Is it better? Es mejor ir. Is it better? So mejor, M-E-J-O-R. The next gap we've got is el autobús número 6 va desde la Plaza Mayor hasta, H-A-S-T-A, hasta, until, el Museo de Prado. And the last gap we've got there is muchas gracias. Thank you very much. So the next gap I asked you to have a look at was these questions here, okay, at the bottom. So what's the first thing the woman asked for? So she asked for a map of the city. What question does she ask about the Prado Museum? Is it open tomorrow? She also asked then, what information does the man give about the museum and its open hours? She says it opens at 10, closes at 8 p.m. Question 4, who gets free entry? Under 18s, students who are under 25, and handicapped people. Who's entitled to a reduced ticket? Over 65, so that's en mayor de 75 años, and young people who have that young person card. And what is the best way to get from the Prado Museum to the Plaza Mayor is on bus, el autobús. The second one I asked you to have a look at then was this list, and so I asked you to do this in English, okay? So the first one we get is, I want a list of hotels in the city centre, okay? What activities are there for kids? That's question 2. Question 3, what time does the concert in the Plaza Mayor start at? Question 4, do you have a map of the region? Question 5, how do you get to the attraction park Portaventura? 6, I am looking for a timetable of trains from Madrid to Salamanca. 7, do you have a list of restaurants in the city centre? 8, is there a pool close to here? 9, to go to the airport, is it better to go on bus/metro? And 10, what is there to see in this city? So that was the lesson I asked you to do. So hopefully that went okay for you. What I want you to do today is we're going to skip over this. This comprehension is que ver y hacer Madrid. What is there to see and do in Madrid? Okay, so don't worry too much about that. What I want you to have a look at is this bit here. Las actividades de vacaciones. So activities that you can do on holiday. Okay. So the first one we got here is pasar tiempo en familia. So pasar, to spend time with your family. Practicar deportes acuáticos, to do water sports. Hacer turismo, like to go to do tourism. Ponerse moreno, so ponerse moreno is to get a tan. Probar is a verb to try. Probar la comida típica. Then we've got sacar fotos, to take photos. Descansar, to relax. Now notice all those verbs there, they're all AR verbs, okay? Just be careful here. Ponerse, that's a reflexive. So you want to say I get a tan, you're going to say me pongo moreno. Here we've got then hacer una excursión, to go on a trip. Bañarse, that's another reflexive verb there. Bañarse en el mar. So that would be me baño en el mar. I bathe in the sea. Hacer nuevos amigos, to make new friends. Pescar, to fish. Hacer camping, to do camping. So remember, that's a regular verb, hacer. So the first one is hago camping. Haces camping. You do camping. Compro recuerdos, I buy souvenirs. Hacer castillos de arena, to make sandcastles. Y practicar el idioma, to speak the language, or to use it, supposed to be speak the language. And that's another AR verb there, okay? So all I want you to do for today is just note all that vocab on Página 133 into your copies, okay? Note it into your vocab section of your copies, okay? Because that will come up a lot in the next couple of comprehensions. Is that okay? So, muchas gracias, chicas, y hasta pronto.